Y'all seem to love these, and I don't really understand it, but I respect it. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a leftovers video. It is long overdue as usual for me, but I am happy to do them, and I need some more boxes and stuff in my leftovers book. So this one is from Once More with Love. I just put in a new card from Lights Planner Action, but this one is no longer available, so I will leave a couple down in the description if you're interested in getting a little sticker book like this. Mine I've been using for like 2 years. And what I'm really missing is some boxes and some labels and some quarter boxes. Like this whole section back here is just not serving me like I want it to. So that's what I'm going to be particularly looking for. But anything that catches my eye, I'm going to grab from my leftovers. I've also got some samplers that I'm going to go through as well. Things that I just have had in here for like months and months, and I just need to tear apart, put in here. I use this book for anything that I'm doing, and it's just really helpful to have this because it keeps everything in one spot and it makes it really handy to grab things when I need them. So the way that I have my sticker book set up is at the front. Like I need to get rid of all these, put them in their spot, but the first pages are like just random things, random deco, and then I get into Crafty Banana, Bubba Bear, Once More with Love, Fox and Cactus, The Coffee Monsters Co., Fox and Pip, and then into my colored icons. So I've got them all by category in here, and then in the very back I've got some scripts, and then we go into habit trackers, flight trackers, rescheduled, nope, canceled. I need some more of those as well. I've got some checklists, which I never actually use, so I don't think I'm going to be looking for those. Movie marquees, and then of course my boxes back here. So I've got quarter boxes and then third and half boxes. So we have a lot to go through. We're going to go ahead and get started. The way that I do these is I just put some music over them so you can see my process. Y'all seem to love these, and I don't really understand it, but I respect it and I love it. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to do this stack first, then I'm going to go through this bin of like samplers and shop freebies and all of that. By the way, all of my leftovers go to my sister, so they go to a good home when I'm finished with them. I just pack them up and send them over to her. So it's a good little symbiotic relationship that we have. Okay, I think we're ready to get started. Let me just get the samplers out of the way, and then we're going to just go from the top down to the bottom. First, let's start with these, getting those put away, and then we'll get into this big old stack. Okay, so this is what I have left. I am pretty ruthless with this. I try not to keep anything that I don't think that I will use. Obviously, there's things in here that I have had in here a while and haven't used. So I try to be really strict with myself and only choose things that I'll use in the end. So now it is time to go through the samplers. So I've got quite a few things in here. Let me just kind of organize them into some piles real quick, and then we will get into the actual organizing. Okay, so a lot of this is just like, they came with my kits, and I just need to, like, you know, go through them, pull them apart, and whatever I don't need, I will send to my sister in the other pile. So a lot of this is from like Scribble Prints Co., or I've got some stuff in here from like the Crafty Banana, Once More with Love, all kinds of things, Planner Kate. So let's start with this pile. We'll move on to the other one, like the little stuff, and let's begin again. So these are all of my Crafty Banana samplers when I did PR for her, and I love them so much. I can't break them up. I love them. I really enjoyed working for Brianna on that, and I wish her all the best. She's a great shop. Awesome products. Okay, so next is we're going to put these back in here because I think I have a kit for these, and these I'm going to send to my sister. And then there's like some Valentine's stuff that I might use. So I'm going to keep those in the little bin here. And then I need to organize all of this foiled stuff. So let's do that real quick. Get those in my binders. And then these two I want to put on my laptop. So I'm just going to put those to the side because they're so cute. So let's organize these by foil color and then get them into my little sticker binders. All right, I have everything organized how I want. These are ready to go to my sister. Nice big fat pile. And this is all cleaned out with just things that I want in there now. And then my book is all organized. So let's do a quick flip through of my sticker book just so you can see any of the changes that have happened, things that I've added. This needs to move to the back first. Okay, so here is the first page. I didn't add a ton here, but I did add a few things over here. I didn't have any Crafty Banana stuff, but I did have some Bubba Bear and some Coffee Monsters Co. And I had quite a few of the Fox and Pip things. I love Fox and Pip, one of my favorites. Okay, then I didn't grab a bunch of icons because I don't really use them as much as I probably should, but I did add a few on the blue page and the purple page. And then I added a couple of scripts. And then we've got some habit trackers. I don't use these as much as I used to, but I like to have them because they come in handy when I do need them. I didn't even look for these, but a lot of shops are not doing these anymore, so I'm just gonna not worry about it. And then I didn't look for any movie marquees because I've got quite a few there. I did add quite a few of my quarter boxes in here. I'm gonna move this one over here because it's just a little bit too close to the edge. So I filled up my space here, and then I added in quite a few half and third boxes and some boxes as well, like these square ones. And then that is it. So I feel like I'm like organized again, and I'm ready to use this for memory keeping or daily planning, whatever I want to use it for. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!